Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In the previous lesson, we learned how to write the equation of a line. But now, let's make it visual. How do we take an equation and turn it into a graph? How do we actually draw the line? Today, we will learn how to graph linear equations step by step. Graphing means representing an equation visually on the coordinate plane. A graph shows the relationship between x and y. Let's take an example. Y is equal to x plus 1. Choose values of x and find corresponding y. See the table. Plot the points, then connect them to form a line. Let's use slope-intercept form. Equation y is equal to mx plus c. Step 1. Plot the intercept. Then use slope to continue the line. Start at intercept, then follow the slope. Let's see one example. Graph the following line equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Here 1 is the y-intercept. So 0, 1 is the point at the y-axis. So start from that point. Then rise 2, then run 1. Then connect these 2 points, then you can draw a line. Another method is using intercepts. Find where line crosses the axis. So x-intercept is equal to when y is equal to 0. And y-intercept is equal to when x is equal to. Let's see the types of lines. Positive slope, that is a rising line. Negative slope is a falling line. Horizontal line means constant y. Vertical line means constant x. Graphing helps us to understand relationships, predict the values, and visualize change. A graph turns equations into visual understanding. Today we have learned how to graph using tables and how to graph using slope. Also how to use intercepts and different types of lines. Graphing is a key skill in mathematics. When you can graph equations, you can see mathematics visually, and this visualization makes complex concepts simple. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.